Who says that potato salad is just for summer months? In our household, we actually do enjoy potato salad during Christmas, and I know there's other homes that also do that. So today my mom is going to share with us her potato salad recipe.
Most of my friends, whenever they have a function, they say, Mr. Silver, could you make your potato salad?
So we're going to get right into it. Thank you for joining us today for this special episode during the holiday season with my mom, Maxine De Silva, who, by the way, is also a published author. She has a book, and I'm going to include that information in the description. So for now, let's talk about this recipe.
So first you wash the potatoes. Now some people will peel the potatoes first, dice them, and then cook them. But I prefer to cook them in the skin, then dice them. It tastes much better when you do it that way. You don't put a lot of water. You don't cover them over. Just enough. Cook them, not too soft and not too hard. Cover them over. So now I'm going to dice up some organic fresh carrots, and then I will cook them. And I usually have peas, but my daughter doesn't like peas, so when I make hers I cannot put peas. She's always been like that. Also, we have to hard boil 3 eggs. It all depends how much potato salad you're making. You could add more eggs, but I'm not making a whole lot, so I only need 3 eggs. So while everything is cooking, now you take the time to prepare your parsley. Make sure you chop it up very fine as you could get it. So now the parsley is ready. You put it in the bowl. You leave a little bit out to garnish when you're finished. Alright, now I will grate up half of an onion. Maybe I don't need this much because I'm not making a lot. Quarter of an onion. So after cooking the potatoes for about 30 to 35 minutes, then you allow them to cool for about an hour along with the eggs. I'm ready to take the skin off and dice them. The skin is very easy to come off. Just pull it off. And I'll dice them. I dice them up very small. Not too small and not too big. Alright, the potatoes are diced. I'll add the carrots. Then I'll grate the egg. pepper and salt. A little bit of mustard. Mayonnaise. And then you mix it all in. Okay. And then you garnish with a little bit of parsley. And that's my potato salad. Can't wait to eat it.
Thank you guys. A special thank you for you joining us today. It's been a pleasure doing this with my mom, whom I love dearly. It's been a pleasure having her and getting to share her recipe that, again, everybody loves. I'm glad you were able to now know how to make it yourself. I hope it brings your family as much pleasure as it does our family. But from our house, the Ashes, and the De Silvas, we wish you a blessed and happy New Year. May 2021 be the best you've ever had. The best is yet to come. Happy New Year!